Hi, I'm going to show you how to build some Christmas ornaments using a piece of firewood and some tools in your workshop. Let's get going. Alright, so the piece I'm using here is a piece of basswood. And the first thing we got to do is chop some cookies from the log and turn them into these little 1/4 inch thick wafers. I'm going to use the bandsaw. I'm going to use my miter gauge to guide the piece through the cut, and I made sure that I have a sharp blade and I cut slowly and carefully. Once the pieces are cut, it's best if they are dried. For this, I will use a food dehydrator at 135 degrees for 24 hours. Once the wood cookies are dry, you can start to cut out your decorations. To make the cutting easier, I will be using a paper template as a guide. I apply glue to the back of the template and then I attach it to the wood cookie. I drill a couple of starter holes so I can cut out my pattern without cutting the outside edge of my decoration. I'm going to be using a scroll saw for this, but you could also use a coping saw if that's what you have. Once the patterns are cut out, I use a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill a hole for the string. I use an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper to remove the template paper and give it a nice smooth finish. You can apply a clear coat if you like, or you can leave them unfinished like I did. Next, I add a string to the ornament so I can hang it from a Christmas tree. Thanks for watching.